Oh, g'day guys, I'm just playing Bus Simulator Ultimate here and on the big screen TV, and today I'm going to show you guys how to choose your steering options on your iPhone 11 Pro Max, your 3 different steering options. So just remember, if you enjoy the video, to click subscribe at the end of the video and to click like. But enjoy, and we'll catch you shortly. Cheers. Hey guys, as I was saying, I'm going to show you how to select your steering options on the simulator game Bus Simulator Ultimate using your iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I've got it mirroring onto my big screen TV. Okay, so I'm going to go to the settings button, the sprocket on the bottom right hand of the screen. Okay guys, so if you look on the right hand column second from the top, you can see the word control there, and it's currently set on buttons. So there's 3 different options. I'm actually going to demonstrate playing with each of these 3 options as well, but I'll just show you how to select. So you just click on control on the buttons column there. So I just clicked on there and it's on buttons. I want to try Euro, so I would click down onto Euro, and if it comes up on the screen as Euro. Okay, and the third option is steering wheel. So as you can see, I've just clicked on that, and I'll click down, I'll click steering wheel. Okay, so there are your 3 options for steering the bus during the game. So I'm now going to show you what these 3 options look like. So we're just selecting our routes for the just for the purpose of this demonstration. So we'll choose Dusseldorf to Hamburg, time, okay, accept, and we've got our fare there. Okay, so I'm just going to start the vehicle up. We're in drive. So this is the steering wheel option we've got here in front of us at the moment. So as you can see, it shows the actual steering wheel on the screen. Okay, so you've got your brake and your throttle, and the steering wheel shown on the screen here. So when you use the steering wheel control, when you release your finger, you place your finger over the steering wheel on the screen. When you release the steering wheel, it centers itself again. Okay, so I'm going to stop here at the intersection, accelerate and turn left. Just running my finger over the wheel there. As I release the wheel, it will self-correct. So just little turns. So this is quite a good option to give you that view of an actual real steering wheel as you're driving the coach. So I'm just going to pull over here and stop. So that's your steering wheel option for the game controller. I'm now going to show you the next option, which is Euro. So back down to the settings icon there at the bottom right hand of the screen, and back to the control option on the second down the right hand column there, and we're going to go up 1 from steering wheel to Euro. Okay. So once again, I'm just choosing my direction here just for the purpose of this demonstration. Now with the gyro option, the control acts in real life, the phone. So this was actually like my steering wheel, okay? So how I actually play with this is I rest my elbows on my knees. I find it gives me the best control. So I've now got my brake on the right hand bottom of the screen and the throttle on the left, and the controller itself is the steering wheel. So I'm just going to demonstrate here. Start the bus up. Some drive. So I was trying this the other day, and once you get used to it, it's really fun. It's your most realistic option. So as I turn the phone, the bus responds accordingly. It does take a bit of getting used to. So as I turn the phone, I'm turning the bus. So one of the harder options to get used to, but once you don't had a bit of practice with it, it's real, because as you move the phone, it is just like a steering wheel in your hand, and it moves the bus. So it's your most realistic option. Just got to get it steady. Okay, so that is your Euro option. I'm just going to pull up off the road here. And there we have it. So that's your Euro option, where the actual iPhone 11 Pro Max acts in real time as your steering wheel. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the last option, which is the button controls. So I'm just going to exit out of this game, go back to the main menu, and very simple, back down to the sprocket, the settings button on the bottom right hand of the screen here, and over to your right hand side. Second from the down on the right hand column is your steering control options. I'm now going to select buttons at the top there. So we've done steering wheel, we've done Euro, now we're doing buttons. Back to the game, and once again I'm just going to select my destinations here. Okay, so now as the screen comes up, you'll now see you've got your brake and accelerator on the left hand side, and the arrows on the bottom right hand of the screen. This is now your steering controller. Okay, so the first one we had the steering wheel, the gyro option we use the phone in real motion. Now we've got the buttons, the arrow buttons on the screen to use. So I'm just going to accelerate here, we'll start the bus up. So like the steering wheel option, it self-corrects when you release. So that's not a good start. I'm just going to go into reverse. Back into drive. So I'm going to pull out using the arrows for the steering. So I just hold it down, release to straighten again. So the biggest thing I found when I was learning how to play this game was to remember to release the buttons in order for the vehicle to correct. So I hold it down, release, it straightens. Hold it down a little bit and it straightens. So I'm going to go left a little bit here, release, and it straightens. So I'm going nice and straight here. A little bit to the right. So just hold the button for as long as you want to turn. So for a small adjustment, you're going to click left and then right again. That's just a small adjustment there to straighten the bus. So I find the buttons are probably the easiest option when you're playing this game to start with, in order to control the bus. If you're just learning like I am, the buttons are probably the easiest. So we'll just get over the bridge here. And I'm going to pull over up here and stop. Okay, so that's your button controls. So guys, I hope that was helpful. The first thing people want to know when they play a simulator game, a vehicle simulator game, is how to steer the vehicle and your different options. So that's 3 quite different options. They're all a lot of fun. I'm only really learning this game and how to control the bus, and I've found that the button icons on the screen is the easiest way to control the bus when you're learning. Probably followed by the steering wheel, and last of all the Euro option, where the control actually moves as a steering wheel. The phone actually moves like a real steering wheel. However, I think going forward, personally for me, the Euro option will be the way to go, because that's the most realistic option for steering the bus. But I hope you found that useful, guys. On my next video, I'm going to show you some different camera angles and how to use the gear control and the brake and throttle. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe, click like, and we'll catch you next time. Cheers.